to Nirvana Nidhi. Welcome to a series of healing through nature. We are going to pick various elements of nature and use them to heal ourselves. Today, we are going to heal ourselves using fire, one of the element of nature. Now, in case you are suffering from emotions like anger, irritation, frustration, aggression, then in such case, visualize, feel or imagine a bonfire in front of you. Cup your palm into a bowl. Now, feel, visualize or imagine each of such emotions flowing into the bowl one by one by one. Take your own time, sit relaxed and pick each of the disturbing emotions and visualize them leaving your heart, leaving your mind, leaving your body and entering into this bowl. In case there is more than one emotion, then give colors to them. As in, you can give anger the color of red. You can give frustration a color of maybe blue, and so on, depending on whatever emotions you are going through. Doing so, you will be able to distinguish between the various emotions that you are letting go of. Take your own time, and when you feel that all the heavy emotions have left your mind, heart and body and entered this ball, slowly imagine, feel or visualize releasing all these emotions in the bonfire that has been virtually burning in front of you. You can also choose to place your hands over the virtually imagined bonfire for a while so that all the remnants of the emotions pass by. Once you feel light and you think that these emotions have passed by, have left you, then close your eyes and sit down in few rounds of meditation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Once you feel you are all right, you are comfortable and calm from within, you can choose to rub your palms until they are warm, place them over your eyes, and open your eyes with a loving smile. You can choose to do this time and again whenever you feel such disturbing emotions taking over you. Thank you for your time.